Everybody, I did it again. Welcome. Let me go ahead and take a look at my I mean, as you know, we're not in the studio, but we are still grinding, fam. How is everybody doing, everybody? Let's see. Come on. We're gonna go ahead and get to this space. There you go, we're live. How's the audio looking? Perfect. Everybody, I'm showing you right now on the screen what I just did. And you're seeing right here the positions that we're in right now. Audio is looking good. How is everybody doing, guys? Welcome. As you can see on the live, I couldn't wait, guys. I couldn't wait. I had to tell you. We went all in on Shiba Inu. Third time all in on Shiba Inu. Question in the chat, are we going higher, lower, or the same? Well, I'm about to show you exactly what happened earlier today. I woke up and I'm like, well, I missed the opportunity, but no, I didn't miss any opportunity because I was able to get another position. And here's where we're at. You're seeing right now on the screen on top of me, guys, 923 million Shiba Inu position. Let's go. As soon as you're coming in, go ahead and smash the like button, guys. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Honestly, I wait and wait for positions like this, and I had to go through a lot of different feedback and struggles, but we did it, fam. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, guys. Today we're seeing a correction in the price of Bitcoin. We're seeing a correction in the price of a lot of different things. But I'm showing you on the screen what I just did, and dude, like, I'm so happy because 2% is $700 right now. Let's go ahead and refresh this page. $800 right now. $800 beautiful dollars right now, guys. 3%. So I'm in the position, and I gotta get back to the office later today to consider a closing position, but for right now I'm not looking at that. We went for a little bit of time, you know, to the 29 right here, and I took the chance, bro. ICP to the moon, let's go. If you're coming in, Shiba Inu holders, crypto fam, crow fam, how we feeling, guys? I'm feeling phenomenal. I'm feeling phenomenal. This is exactly what I was looking for. And I had to tell you immediately right now, I had to tell you. I got into Jasmine, I got into Bread more, I got into Pepe, I got into Floki more. I just began adding on more and more because we were down my positions, and I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you guys right now. Oh yes, I have to close this. Welcome. Let me go ahead and open up my indicators and everything to show you what just happened. Okay, you're seeing right now on the screen. There you go. There you go, guys. How's everybody doing? 100 people plus. Smash and destroy the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. We're not in my studio. We're working here. I'm taking a break, and I'm showing you guys what I did. Welcome, fam. I did it, fam. I told you I'm doing it, and it's paying off. It's paying off. We bought right here. Because in my first link down below, Lux Algo indicator, we touched this one, and then all of a sudden we went this low, guys. At 9 a.m. today, I had to do it. I'm watching the prices, guys. Obviously, I understand we could go lower. I understand we can go higher, but based on the momentum that we have, it's some rejection, some retracements. I took the chance. I took the chance, guys. This is what it looks like right now. Feeling bullish. What's going on, fam? Welcome. I was waiting for a dip, but I think that was the dip. The ante. Well, things can change, and I'll tell you right now what I'm seeing, because I have on the screen the Neo Cloud. I have on the screen my trend tracker from Luxalgo indicator, and it seems slow, low, what do you call it, short-term bearish, but I just haven't sold. I'm basically less than $1,000 up, and I don't feel that's enough. I don't feel that's enough, guys. Shiba Inu will definitely go up, just a matter of time, but all-time high will be before the halving, same as Pepe. Well, you think so? You think the all-time high will be before halving? Whoa, I don't share that view. All-time high Shiba Inu should be after halving. If it's before halving, there's gonna be a lot of people really happy, guys. Welcome, fam. We did it once again, third time. I was gonna make a video, but I just couldn't wait. I just couldn't wait the emotion, because I was seeing this. I want you to see this, guys. I want you to see this, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Tell me if that's not crazy. I was seeing this live, 9 a.m. here in the US. 9 a.m., 9:13 a.m. The price was going down, went to the 28 even. And I'm like, I have to go for it. This is what I've been waiting for. Stop being scared and go for it. And I did it. For now, 3% up. So I think I want to get this position at least at 8%. At least an 8%. That's for now what I'm looking at. But the prices do seem somewhat bearish. Bitcoin, how's Bitcoin doing? Okay, it's coming up a little bit high. That's pretty good. It's all about Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin into 68,000 too. So, man. But just wanted to show you guys this on the screen. Like, when you see, like, I've been telling you for so many videos right now that I'm waiting for this sell-off. It might not seem a lot. It might not seem a lot, but I've been waiting for that sell-off. And look at what's going on right now. In the last couple of minutes, consolidation. This is what I wanted. Like, you buy the dip and you ride the consolidation. But I have to be strong, because nothing guarantees me that we're gonna continue dropping. But that's why we use my indicators, right? That's why we use crypto indicators, to make sure that we know what we're doing, or we have some pretty good stop losses, right? What I'm telling you guys is real life. Don't forget to smash the like button, guys, and consider subscribing. Welcome aboard. The prices are not necessarily pumping, but like I tell you, we go live when it's pumping. We go live when it's dumping. We go live when it's consolidating. You're seeing right now on the screen the 1 minute that you got to take the chance, guys. You just have to. What's up, Bob? Turn on your music when you get a chance. I can't. We're not in my studio, fam. Just my voice and the charts. That's it. Just my voice and the charts on this one, guys. And that's it. But I gotta tell you guys that if we get a pump on this 1 minute, I'm gonna be the happiest man alive. Because I have right now almost 1 billion Shiba Inu. almost 1 billion Shiba Inu in this position. Feels good, to be honest with you. Wow. I wonder if Shiba Inu and Pepe will reach 0.1. You guys are asking him to buy and sell advice when he has algo tell him when to buy. Of course, right? I have my indicators. Like, I'm not just buying and selling when I want. I'm buying and selling when the indicator is hitting the levels that I want. And I've been telling you so many times, right? Look at this. Like, this is beautiful. Right here. That's what I was waiting for. Such a long time. Right there. That's what I was waiting for. Right here. So if you're happy for me, guys, if you're happy for your positions, that's your entry point. Now, what is my exit point? Like I told you, at least 8%. Oh, some big news on Jasmine. Thanks for letting me know. And I bought more Jasmine. I got in more Jasmine because I also got cheap Jasmine. Like, ooh, look, Shiba Inu is the only one up. Bitcoin, XRP, Jasmine, Floki, Pepe, Bread. I got Bread, I got Jasmine, I got Floki. So that's what you wanted to do, fam. When you sell when you feel like you made enough profit, it is entirely your choice, but I would advise you leaving your initial investment in for the future. Craig, thank you, buddy. It's true, it's true. It's tempting, bro. It's tempting, right? It's very, very, very tempting. But I'm doing trading right now, and I love it, guys. Really, really happy. We're looking at $54,000. Those $54,000, the idea is to get $100,000, guys, and then go to another 10x and make $1 million, and then another 10x and make $10 million. Like, it's possible. And I know I never done it before. You never seen me do that kind of money before, but I think with Lux Algo, with the experience that we have, with the bull market that is coming, with some pretty crazy meme coins that are appearing right now, I think we have a chance. We have a shot. At least $100,000, maximum of $500,000, 250,000, right? Shouldn't be bad. Francesco in the house. Giovanni, welcome, welcome. It's exciting, guys. Consolidation is happening. It went down recently. I think now it's time to go up. Well, your friend Oscar Ramos is more than ready. 8 to 10%. 8 to 10%. 8 to 10%. 8 to 10%. That is what I'm looking right now. How we feel in Shiba Inu Army. It's pretty crazy. I mean, you're seeing right now on the screen exactly how things are moving. Floki went down a lot, but I did buy. I mean, look at this. Use Lux Algo indicator. I just got trained yesterday a little bit more, so I know more. And this is when you want to come in. Basically, you have that reversal pain, the reversal zone, that it's the time. I also got Jasmine at a great price, so I should be up in Jasmine right now. Let me take a look at it really quick. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So check this out. On Jasmine, I got here. So I could have gone much earlier, but in Jasmine, I got here. So I'm up. So we're buying those big, delicious dips. Floki. On Floki, I'm down a little bit because I bought much earlier, but I bought right here too, as you can see right here. Floki, I'm down a little bit because I bought previously, but I should be up later. Let's go back to Shiba Inu. I don't know about you, but I think the Shiba Inu is looking promising to go much higher. Question, fam. Should I just hold the almost 1 billion Shiba Inu to 301? Should I make that my main back right now? Because that is like, what, $27,000 or so? It's a lot of money. What would you do in my shoes? Now you're expert level, Oscar. No, I'm not, James, by any means. I'm happy that there's some people watching, because I'm not an expert on this. I'm just going through what I know, and it's working, because as long as you know the basics should be good to go. Let's get in Shiba Inu Armo, of course. Floor on Shiba Inu has been steady at 29. It's true. That Shiba Inu floor, well, not floor necessarily, but just support level. Whew. So for those who are just coming in, I've always been telling you guys that I'm trading my Shib, and as you're seeing right now on the screen and right here on the price above me, we're good on Shib. We bought. What is my position? 923 million Shiba Inu, and it looks like we could do a nice pump soon. And if that happens, well, you know what's going to occur. Hold that bag. In 20 years, Oscar's going to be running the CNN chat. It's pretty fun. Oscar, you're amazing on how you call it. Shiba Inu went down 29 and went up. Giovanni, my man. I've been saying it, right? When I make my price prediction videos, it's because I give you my best in interpreting the data that we're getting. Oh. You see that right now in the 1 minute? It wants to get up. It wants to move. I think for right now, I'm not buying more Shiba Inu for this time frame, because I already got a lot. I mean, oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho, ho. Okay. Guys, I don't have the music, but I make my own music, right? I make my own music. If you're enjoying this stream, get everybody in the chat, get everybody in the house. I told you I was going to do this. I did it, and we're happy today. Trading Shiba Inu is a waste of time, Marcel, all right? Maybe for you, not for me. Oscar, I know we were asleep when you hit 409. Did you buy anyways? No, like it went to 29, but then it went to 29 again, even to 28, lower. It went lower than what happened at 4 a.m. So I made my video, right? I told you that I couldn't buy, but then about 30 minutes later, earlier today, boom. And that's when I took the chance. That's when I took the chance, fam. Could that be Oscar Pump effect? Do you think so? You think that's the Oscar Pump effect? Who knows, right? I always wanted to have a chat with you guys and have fun. I just dropped a video also, Simple FX. Go check them out, guys, too. Up to 1,000x trades. Are you seriously? Yes, up to 1,000x. They have from 0, 100, 200, 500. Like it's just pretty insane. I'm just bringing you guys the content, the partnerships that you deserve. That if you are interested, check them out. If you're not interested, then stick to the basics here with me with Shiba Inu, Cronos, and the rest. And I got you. But for reals, like, you have no idea how good Lux Algo has been to me right now to call this one. Now, what's next for me? We gotta be breaking this Neo Cloud. That's what it's called. This Neo Cloud, if you think about it, let me show you. This is the 15 minutes Neo Cloud, and right here, I mean, strong bullish momentum when it's red, strong bearish momentum that you see that the price, every time it passes, look at this rejection immediately. meaning that the bears, the whales, and sellers were coming in very nicely. What we need to do is for the price of Shiba Inu to pass 30.60, 30.80. Like we were at 31, 30, almost 32, and I knew that it was too high. Like I just couldn't buy more at that level. Happy that I did at 29. So these are just some of the choices that I needed to make the most money possible. Because once you start putting an all-in $20,000, $30,000 position, guys, 1% is a lot of money for some people. And I don't want to make mistakes, at those levels with such high stakes. Oscar, you called it yesterday. It's amazing how it works. Right on the money. Thank you, Giovanni. Happy that some people understand. We're going to get a lot of pushback. I got a lot of pushback because obviously I'm not going to get all the predictions right. Are you kidding me? I'm not an AI machine. I'm a human. But now that we're in the money, I can relax. Now that we're in the money, I can relax, bro. Because it's my choice when to sell. Nobody's but my choice when to sell. And believe me, I have more Shiba Inu than people watching me right now. It is what it is. Almost 1 billion. So you wait for the right moment to let the price come to you. You don't go to the price. You let the price come to you. And that's it. That's when you attack. You're a shark. Spending 20K to get 1K to spend when I get 20. Didn't even think that was a question. Marcel in the house. We got some footing. I love it. Well, the idea is not to get 1K, right? Like I said, I'm not selling right now. 10% on this trade, we should be looking at $2,000 plus. But I have to look at how the trend is feeling at that moment. For now, the 1 minute looks really good. Oscar, in your opinion, who will do better in this bull run, Shiba or Bonk, Shiba Inu? My money's on Shiba Inu, but nowadays we're seeing Solana meme coins start doing, crazy. Just what it is. Oscar, you're doing good with your trades. Appreciate it, buddy. Happy that I have my people here also watching. I went all in, Giovanni, yes. Obviously a troll who knows nothing about crypto. What's up, Oscar? What's going on, guys? Now, I'm sure that a lot of you guys have way more than 1 billion Shiba Inu, right? The thing is that you're not planning to sell it, you're not planning to trade it, which is fine. You take all the hits along the way. As long as we are above 69,000 Bitcoin, we should be decent. Because here's the deal, like, Bitcoin is so resilient right now. What is the volume in Shiba Inu? $1.7 billion volume for Shiba Inu. Look at the 7 days for Shiba Inu right now on the screen. We're just not getting major corrections on Shib. We're just not getting a lot of blood with Shib. So whatever little correction that I can get, I have to go in to get my profits. Look at the month with Shib, guys. This is really crushing me, guys. That is what I call major bullish trend. That's a nice consolidation on Shiba Inu after the mega rally. The worst case scenario is not going in and the price pumps all the way back to 40. If the price pumps all the way back to 40, it's basically a done deal, right? Back to 40 is, you are so late if you're first starting to buy back at 40. I cannot afford that mistake. I cannot afford that mistake. That's why I'm doing very short-term trading, because I need to get in ASAP and don't waste time. Greetings from Greece. What's going on, George? Happy to see you. Greece in the house. Hi, Oscar haters. Will be haters. Do we have many Oscar haters? Hey, welcome to crypto, right? Let them hate me and not you, guys. For those who are here watching and learning, You're not paying an AI to do your job. No, 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 no. We're here enjoying a great conversation, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Welcome aboard. Now, I don't know if you're noticing. But what is this? I got $8,600. I have $8,000 ready to invest. Why? Because I don't know the future. What if my prediction fails and the price goes lower? Well, I can buy more. Simple as that. I went all in with a lot of money, but I still have some capital for the what if scenario. Always for the what if scenario. That's gonna save me in case something more delicious comes. Just what it is, guys. What up, brother? I've been watching a few videos on Shiba Inu. Really excited. I hope and pray for you all. Hey, thank you so much, Polish. Big shout out from Houston, Texas. Let's go, guys. I've been holding my Shiba Inu for so long. I'm happy that I'm in the green. Let's go. Shiba Inu is doing good. You never know what will happen in the future. 100%. Hello to the 500 people of you watching right now who's bullish. So if you're just coming in, look at that arrow. Look at the circle right there. That is just 9 a.m. Today it's 12:42 here in Texas. What is that? 4 or 5 hours maybe? 5 hours? 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 4 hours or so. Or less. $1,000. Let me actually refresh my Binx. How much are we doing right now? Hey. Who is seeing that on the screen, baby? 3.6% is $1,000 profit. That's what I like. That's what I like, guys. And we're barely starting. Barely starting, guys. Emily in the house, welcome. Sell car, buy Shiba Inu. It's pretty cool, right? So you really went 75%, not all in. I think $25,000 is enough for me to say all in. It's a lot of money. We always have to be cautious and have some money on the side. Always having some money on the side. Oscar, you're the reason I got into tectonic. Let's go, Willie. Happy to see you, buddy. Welcome. Imagine if I put in the title, I went almost all in. It doesn't make sense, guys. I went all in because it is not $500. It is not $1,000. It is a big chunk of money for a lot of people, guys. And that's it. You're a realistic trader. Terrence in the house. Let's go. So, everybody, we of course have some crazy breaking news today, and I don't have to open up here the charts or the Twitter to tell you, right? Coinbase legal, a U.S. judge denied Coinbase appeal, you know, so the SEC wouldn't stop going after them much, but now has been canceled, and they're gonna be, you know, continuing the hunt on Coinbase. They should be fine. They're gonna defend themselves. But yesterday also, remember, we got KuCoin. The U.S. government is very busy pursuing and chasing all the crypto exchanges and players. And even though we have all of those bad the negativity in crypto, you and I are seeing the prices doing really well, and we're moving, guys. We are moving really nice. There it is. That's much better. Shiba Inu will hit 1 cent. So that means that my $923 million are gonna be 9 point something million. It's gonna be pretty crazy, right? Please FOMO, no FOMO in the chat. Come on, let's lose some zeros. I know we want to lose some zeros, right? That's pretty crazy. Yeah, I don't use Coinbase anymore. It was too much of a risk. I mean, Coinbase is a lot of money in it when it comes to fees. A lot of money when it comes to fees. Like if you're going to be trading, use something else, right? Heavily recommend you obtain either free indicators, which are so many out there, you don't have to pay for anything if you don't want, or if you want to use what I have, which is totally your choice. First link down below, everybody. Lux Algo. People have got it. They like it. I know more because I talked to Lux Algo yesterday, and that confidence gave me the power to say, let's buy 20,000 plus more, and that's what I did. What I'm looking at right now is for Shiba Inu to break free of the 3050. So let's see. From here to 31, it's going to be about 5%. We have to go back to 3180 for me to get 8%. So if I want to do 10%, Shiba Inu has to put a number that we haven't seen before, which is 32. We haven't seen before in a while. But at 10%, you're talking about thousands of dollars in my portfolio, which that's the goal right now. Crypto approved message. I'm gonna invest now 2,000 on Shib till 0.1. That's my dream. Let's go. Yeah, I mean, I think a lot of people are for sure very bullish, and that's fine. You definitely want to see much higher prices. Let me go ahead and get a Bollinger Bands here. It's gonna help me a little bit. And also RSI. Just to have a better idea how prices are moving. If this is too busy for you, well, just to give you an idea what traders and investors have to deal with on a daily basis. I'm not saying that I'm the best. I'm not, of course, the best trader of all, but I'm just giving you a sneak peek. These are some free indicators that you can have with this all day long. I'm gonna delete the moving averages. I don't need them. Just the Bollinger Bands. Let's go. All right, so I got it. So let me explain the way I can understand what's going on right now. And if you're seeing that, then I think it's very, very, very bullish. You're seeing, oh wait, you're not seeing my profits right there. There you go. That should be good. So you are seeing everything. In the 1 minute Bollinger Bands, we are twice hitting the bottom. Right now, people are basically buying right now. They're buying the most. You see the simple moving average, the orange line in the middle? It was absolutely destroyed right here. That's why I got in at this time. Then it was destroyed right here, but it was at 29. It was much higher. And then after that, we've been on a nice 1 minute range where people are just saying, is this the time to buy? And they're up, they're thinking about buying, they're thinking about the bullish momentum. Even you can see it on the RSI, how right here we basically went through the 1 minute RSI oversold indicator. So when you have oversold, it means that you have to go in. That's it. Oscar, where are your Shiba Inu techno glasses? I know, bro. I'm not in the studio. I'm outside of my office, brother. I will be playing my music and everything, but thank you so much for sticking with me. Even though we don't have the techno classes, even though we don't have the music, you guys are still with me. Love you guys. It's awesome. I heard of DiCaprio. Cheers. Yes. I'm with you, all in. Let's go. Let's go. 600 people watching. Welcome, guys. If this is your first time, then I hope you're bullish because I have news for you. Less than 25 days from now, Bitcoin halving. A lot of volatility is coming. The SEC and the United States government want to control crypto, but in the end, crypto will win. Crypto will win. So you better have some good long-term positions. What you're seeing right now doing is I'm trading with a lot of money at my own risk because I have the tools that I need to do so. Not many people can do that. If you want, do it. It's your choice. But after being in crypto since 2021, I feel good on doing it. And I have this channel, and we're teaching a lot of people. We're just talking to a lot of people, and you have all the links down in the description, guys. If you want to join my private community, we got great mods every single day answering questions. Just beautiful, guys. San Antonio in the house. Let's go. Shiba Inu price right now, you're seeing it on the screen. 403028. That's what you're seeing right now on the screen. What is the goal of this run? What is selling price are you looking at? Okay, the goal of the long-term run for Shiba Inu has to be well above 0001. 301, well above 301. I think this is gonna be a major bullish case scenario for Shiba Inu. 3015 with the right hype, with the right momentum, with the right push, with the right excitement, I don't see why not. If you've been holding since 2021, I've been in crypto since 2021. So in 2021, a lot of people, we start and we get distracted a lot, right? We just don't make the best plays. So I learned a lot of lessons in 2021. Then in 2022, it was the bear market. 2023, we have to come up a little bit. And finally, 2024 and 2025 is once again the bull market. So now we are in a much better position to be a millionaire, 100%. A lot of big XRP and mega other news. I know it's pretty insane, right? What we're seeing on the screen too. Let me go ahead and give you something, guys. To the right. Let's go. So let's see. Everything that we have to go through here. Let's go ahead and move this. There you go. Let's go ahead and close the other side. I have this computer and I can still manage. I can still manage, guys. That's pretty cool. There you have it. You're seeing the price right there, and you're seeing my position right there still. Now let's go to Twitter and see the news, guys, the updates, because there's something going on. I'm pretty positive. First thing I see is Sean. So let's go ahead and take a look at Watch Your Guru together. I saw this earlier today. 4.5 trillion asset manager Fidelity files for S1 form spot Ethereum ETF, staking included. So that's one of the reasons I still have my Ethereum. One of the reasons that I know Ethereum is gonna do decent, and well, we should be really fine with that. People are coming to this space. They want their money, and there's nothing else that we could do about it. Either you join the train, you get on board, or you get left behind. Then we have Coinbase. We're seeing some selling right now, 30.15. This is what I saw earlier today. All right, so paying attention a little bit of the Shiba Inu price right now. In the Bollinger Bands, you're seeing some type of selling. Let's go to this one too. So I've been holding, like we've had like 1, 2, 3 15-minute candles that are pretty red for Shiba Inu. Nothing has gone major all the way to 29 yet, so we're still good. It's risky, but I think it's going to be very much worth it if we pass this pain and then we start rising up higher. That's what I want. Let's go to the bubbles and see how we're looking right now. Mint, MNT, and SUN, BCH, Bitcoin Cash, those are the ones that are sending as of this moment in the last 1 day. You were thinking of selling Shiba Inu at 001. You think it can get to 3015? Yes, I think so. All my predictions typically are very much conservative, so there's gonna be a chance for Shiba Inu to go much higher if we eventually break that all-time high, and if we eventually break Shiba Inu 301. I mean, once we break Shiba Inu all-time high, guys, of 408, I'm sure that's not the only stop. That's just not the stop, guys. Shiba Inu should do much better. How many of us will be there to watch it? Oof, I hope all of us, right? I hope all of us. I'm gonna go ahead and delete the volume. Volume. Delete pane. There you go. Much better. Let's open up this one, so you can clearly see right now what's popping, what's going on here. In the last 1 hour, this is what we're seeing. Thank you, JB. JB in the house. Like and subscribe. Got a lot of different content and help for you guys. Watch out the latest as we enjoy our positions in Shib. Let me go ahead over right here. Drink some good water. 1 minute sell-offs. Look at that. Look at that. 30-0. It's having a battle right now. It's having a big battle right now, Shiba Inu. Look at that. In the 1 minute, this is the 1 minute, of course. Things are gonna be changing fast. So get ready for the 1 minute vibes. I have this picture that I took yesterday. So that is Shiba Inu trend that we had just yesterday. We went higher to that, but then we're having some mild corrections. Shiba Inu to the moon, let's go. Giovanni, this is the 1 minute, so it's dropping, but not by a lot, so no worries. I'm looking at the 1 minute because my position is not that low from this. One of the reasons, right? Oscar, where do you buy? You're looking at BingX. I like the exchange, pretty cool. This feels like the last time you can mine and get free gaming rigs unless SBF gets out of jail and crashes the market again. I mean, I really hope that the FTX, SBF, Terra Luna, Celsius, and all of those news are long gone, because nothing has to stop this bull market, and it's already passing bull market price. So for now, I mean, the worst has come. The worst has happened already. We're gonna be going much higher now. Fear and Greed Index. 83s. Looking pretty bullish right now. Pretty bullish. I think 405, this is the pump before the halving, then pull back to 4036, then take off again in August, even though this bull run feels a little bit different. Frank, you're right. This bull run is different, bro. That's why it's hard to predict. It's always hard to predict, honestly. We all don't have the answer, right? But It's like you have to do the best you can with the answers you got, with the insights you got. And we're doing decent. Like, I'm showing you this, guys. Guys, this is it. Look at the 1 month Shiba Inu. Look at the 1 month Shiba Inu. Like, are you kidding me? Are you really kidding me, Shiba Inu? Look at the 1 month. Shiba Inu is so strong, guys. Shiba Inu is so strong. That's the reality. It's not losing its position. It doesn't want to lose its position. It's like whales much higher than me, who they laughed at seeing me have a couple billions, or I mean 1 billion or so. They're like, really, dude? We have 1 trillion Shiba Inu. Who are you to talk to us? These people have 1,000 more Shiba Inu than I have. 1,000x more Shiba Inu than I have. You think they're scared? Here we go. You see? That's exactly what I'm saying to all my 700 people watching right now. That is exactly what I'm saying. Every time you see Shiba Inu drop, immediately there's people ready to buy. Immediately, there's people ready to buy. So cool. Little bit of a stretch. It's a good Wednesday, guys. If you don't recall, last week was FOMC. And now it's been a week after that. So how we feeling? You making money? I hope you're making money. Because we are making money. Look at the screen. I'm looking at the screen, bro. I'm looking at the screen right now. First time here. Will Shiba Inu hit 1 penny? No. No. Shiba Inu will not hit 1 penny. Not as of now. Not as of never. As the tokenomics are the same. 301 is the price that we're looking at. 301. 5, 302. In a really great case scenario. But we'll just have to see. Love that 20% lockup when the crow. Oh yes, I'm gonna be making more content about that as soon as I get back home. Yes, I'm well with you. That one is gonna be very, very nice. So this was 20 hours ago. 53,593. How we looking? 54,134. Not bad. And the market is down. And the market is down. Huh? FY. So this was the 25th. You just see Shiba Inu do nothing and then boom. This one passed the 15-minute trend immediately. Didn't have a chance. That's one of the reasons, everybody, that you get into Shiba Inu, because when you see the consolidation, consolidations are to be scary in a good way, because they're just gonna pump on you sometimes. You don't even see them when they pump on you. Thank you for telling the truth, Oscar. Shiba Inu will not be hitting 0.1, of course. I think everybody knows that, right? Well, so it looks like not many people know that, but we're here to tell you. Send me some Shib. How about if you start trading and get more Shib as you go? The trades, right? Best time to get in now? I wouldn't get in now right now if you're planning to trade it. If you're planning to hold it for years, don't matter really when you get in. That's the difference. To my 700 people watching right now. By the way, let's get more. Smash the like button right now if you're enjoying the stream, the comments, the insights. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on those notification bells so you never miss an update. And let's go to the moon, guys, together. No music right now, no shades right now. I'm not in my studio, but I just finished eating. We have friends here right next to me. I mean, we have people who are bearing with me because I'm talking about crypto and they're still here, so that's really good. Party time. Do you think there will be a large significant token burn on Shiba Inu? Nah. Sad but true. I mean, actually, I haven't even talked about burn anymore because last thing I told you about burns is like it doesn't really matter. The Shiba Inu team is not, it's not like the Floki team, and if you know, you know. The Floki team is burning left and right, like so much Floki. But Shiba Inu is not burning anything, bro. Shiba Inu is not burning anything, bro. So it's like not much to ask ourselves when it comes to Shib right now, when it comes to the burns. I believe Bitcoin, Bitcoin is going lower right now. Bitcoin is going lower right now. Look at that price. It feels like it wants to drop nicely, Shiba Inu. Whew. Pumps nicely, drops nicely. Are you seeing the ticker right? The 1 minute candles right now are phenomenal, bro. This is bearish. It wants to go lower. It wants to go lower. That's a bearish trend right here, and then it's gonna be hard for it to reject this level. We're gonna be back at 29 very soon. 29 Shiba Inu, there it is. Yeah. So we go back to holding. You got tired of waiting and you sold all your Shiba Inu and you bought Solana for long term. I got you. You can get Pikamoon on Mex Global or BitGet. Shiba Inu was number 2 in popularity worldwide behind Bitcoin in the European region. You hit 240,000 today. You're really grateful for all the knowledge, the nuggets you thrown my way over to the last months. Hey, Wayne, really happy to have you. That's really what we're doing here. Let's go to trading view on Bitcoin just to give you an edge, give you an idea. Let's go to look, this is the day Bitcoin. We went to 61,000. Nice consolidation price. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 days Bitcoin, it went up. Now it's coming down a little bit. Can it go back to the $67,000 Bitcoin? Kind of somewhat of a nice, more stable price. I might be like $700 up right now or so. I'm less money than I was before because it all changes so fast. It all changes so fast. Let's check this one out. Bitcoin, we're good. We'll have our weekly live stream in a free Discord. This is Stock Money Lizard's Twitter page that I always tell you to follow, that it helps a lot. 200,000, 300,000. We are on that way forward for this bull market after halving right here. Just to give you an idea, 2012, we had $1,300, $1,900, 19,000, 69,000. And then 200 to 300,000. That was the all-time high on each halving, on each cycle. Yeah, it does look like we're gonna be passing that $200,000 from this way, and from other different predictions. Someone has received over $20 million in less than an hour for an alleged token pre-sale on Solana. Those Solana tokens, bro. Those Solana tokens. What is this? 1,000 million billion trillion? 1,000 million billion 2 trillion Shiba Inu transferred from KuCoin to unknown wallet. Whoa, that's a lot of Shiba Inu, bro. 2 trillion Shiba Inu moved from KuCoin to unknown wallet. Probably they're leaving KuCoin, right? Maybe they're leaving KuCoin. Let's go to the 15 minutes right now. We're seeing some bearish momentum right here. The last 30 minutes, Shiba Inu has not been able to pass that Bollinger Band mid level, and now it's coming lower. So once again, time for me to check my position. For now, still in the profit. Be very careful. I think you're selling Bitcoin to go over to memes. They are selling Bitcoin to go over to memes. Or sometimes they just want to sell Bitcoin because they just want to sell Bitcoin. Because it's time sometimes for a nice retracement. Let's go and refresh this right now. $500 profit now. Changes very, very, very fast. We'll continue holding, and even for some reason, and even everybody, if we go lower than my position and I'm losing a little bit, not really to worry, because we're being very strong lately. We've been very, very strong. I'm expecting rejections on the 28, 29 level as we get hit lower right there. Two big red candles on the 15-minute chart. Let's go ahead and take a look at CoinMarketCap and see how the entire market is moving. 68,500, 2%. Seeing some sell-offs, short-term sell-offs right now. ICP, WIF, TIA. One of the reasons that I have my still position, $8,000 position, because you never know. You might get some nice deals, right? People always like to sell and cash out profits, but Shiba Inu has been very, very strong lately that you never know. Yes, I believe to take profit pump meme coins. Thank you very much, Giovanni. Thanks a lot. Happy to have you here. Welcome aboard. Ramos, brother, DiCaprio, Solana. Thank you for that, guys. You have fun with those Solana meme coins. You have fun with those. But I'm doing CAW. That's the only one I'm doing right now. Crazy meme coin prices. CAW for me. That's the one that I really like for now. Haven't done really too many Solana meme coins, and I'm not in the business of doing so. If I'm gonna be trading a lot of money, it's gonna be with tokens that I know well, like Shiba Inu, that I think even if I have a losing hand, they're gonna come back because they're such an amazing project that I don't have to really worry about. That's what I'm looking at when I'm doing my trades. Even though I have a position that it's losing, I'm buying into a project that it's super strong, that it should be all fine as long as I continue holding. For those who are here, fam, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. There's the link. Welcome to all of you. We got 1,100 votes. Shiba Inu price is going higher. That's what a lot of people want, which makes sense. We all want the price of Shiba Inu to balloon to the moon. And that's really, really cool. New all-time high. What is this? 11,000 still cheap. Oh no, that's not the right one. 4 hours ago, Some news, of course. Coinbase is going to have a little bit more of a difficult time with the SEC, but I'm sure that they're going to be just as fine. Just as fine. Welcome aboard, 700 of you, crazy DJs. Oh, I was going to show you too that I got the Shib. I've been getting all of the magazines, by the way. I got this one today, the Soul Killer, DAMN, AIX blockchain, you know, some pretty cool stuff. These are free NFTs, so you never know, right? I got all of them. I mean, I don't have all of them, but I've been getting most of them now. That's my goal, to get as many as I can. It's gonna be an interesting ride for Shiba Inu right now, as I think the trend has shifted, and it might not be easy to put a 31 once again, but hey, we have to keep watching to see if things change. I also saw this one, and I told you in the video earlier today about the expectations, right? Christian, what's going on, buddy? Welcome. Real world asset, Rio, where the money is made. Thank you for keeping us updated. Appreciate that a lot. Thanks so much for the super chat. When is Shiba Inu hitting $1? Crazy that people are asking such questions, but you know, I see the thumbnails on some YouTubers, and I know that's what's causing the issues. That's what's causing the false expectations. Shiba Inu is not reaching $1. Shiba Inu is not reaching 1 penny. Somebody lied to you, and well, you have to go through that. If you thought that Shiba Inu was gonna hit 1 penny or $1, and you want that to happen, and you're disappointed because it's not gonna happen, well, welcome to crypto, where you're gonna get disappointed every single day if you allow it to. Cronos 20% annual. Yes, I saw that. That's really bullish. What do you think Shib could do in the next 10 years? No, bro. Like, I love those questions, but I'm not a genie, bro. Like, I cannot tell you what's gonna happen in 10 years. 10 years, I mean, God willing, I'll be here in 10 years, bro. Like, so many things can change in 10 years. Like, that's, we all want the answers, but nobody has them. That's just the way that it is. You bought some right now, I hope for the best. Let's go. 10 years, Shiba has to happen in the next 12 to 8 months, or forget it. Don't have 10 years to wait. Exactly, right? What I've been saying, guys, is 301. If we don't hit 301, guys, a lot of people, like he said, are gonna leave, are gonna just lose patience. One of the reasons that I love to use crypto just to trade it and make money, as I'm waiting for future pumps. Oscar, seems like you have to explain the market cap every time you do a video, so people can stop asking the 1 cent or $1. And I made videos about it, right? But it is what happens. I think we're gonna be putting another 15-minute red candle, guys. FYI. Let me go back to my Shiba Inu Loxalgo. So we put in 3 penetrations of the green. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna open up this a little bit. Okay. It was good by me to get in here. Really good, really good. I mean, we haven't even done 10%, right? Barely 5%, so it's really not been that much. So it's no need for me to sell or so. Just that if we go to the 1 hour, 4 hours right now in Shiba Inu, this is what the trend is looking. And this trend seems somewhat as a correction. We're coming from March 24th, which is when's that? 3 days ago. March 24th to 24 on the March 24th, 4 years 24th. And we've been going high, 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 and high. I could see Shiba Inu go to these levels, that's true. As of right now, we don't seem to have the momentum to go higher from what I'm seeing right here. Let's go to the 15 minutes quickly. When are you going to cover FLM? These tokens need your love, bro. If you love XRP, you love these tokens. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. Thank you so much for the super chat. FLR and SGB. Whoa. Gotta see we reject the other one. 3 15-minute candles. Red. Huge shout out to Oscar and everybody in this space. Thank you, Will. Appreciate that a lot. Let's go. Well, all in, guys. 68,430 Bitcoin. Seems that we're bleeding a little bit. Oh, KuCoin a little bit bleeding today. Let me take a look at the Bitcoin chart too. All right. So we are finally getting once again into the bottom of the Bitcoin 15-minute chart, meaning that we should be getting another, pump. You take a look at this one at 11 a.m. today, at 9 a.m. today, we pumped, we dumped, we pumped, we dumped. So this is my last straw right here. It's at 3 bottom. 3 bottom. 3 bottom in the 15-minute. That is bearish. We're rejecting twice. Rejecting twice for Shiba Inu. I'm sorry, for Bitcoin. But that's obviously interesting for altcoins. Wouldn't be surprised if we have. But here's when decisions have to be made, right? So you gotta stay tuned. If you're a Discord user, one of my private members, appreciate you guys. I'll tell you if I sell, I tell you if I make any moves right now. If not, then we'll continue here. But prices look pretty attractive. Still getting close, 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 close. Really, really close. Really, really, really close. Getting really, really close. On the 4-hour chart, Shiba Inu is still in an upward channel. I expect it to bounce right back up. This has been a scam since day one. Oh, man. GG's. Shib needs a major adoption from everybody in the world to see this really to take off. Guys, exciting times ahead. Mid 68,000. Having cash in hand, so we good. Still holding for now. Still holding for now. No panic. All good. Barely 2%, 2%, 2%. Have cash in hand. Deeper dips on altcoins likely to happen before we truly send it. That was January the 19th, back in the day. Back in the day, a couple months ago. ADA is doing exactly what it did last cycle. At this moment, prior to the Bitcoin halving, it's pretty incredible that see many people getting on Cardano exactly as it bottoms against Bitcoin. No guarantee history repeats, but it's pretty compelling data. Oh, I see. That's true. Interesting. You bought a bunch. Of course, it's going flat or down. Hey, that happens all the time, right? We bought a lot and boom, things get worse. It happens, but it happens. Shout out to Christian and DJ for the donations. Appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. You're negative on Shib. I'm holding because I know we'll eventually pass all the time highs. Jose, what's going on, buddy? Of course. All right. There he goes. Another chance. ICP down, some prices down. Well, what's gonna end up happening is this. To start giving you some of the hard to swallow truth. I mean, I've always said that we need like one major dip before we truly send it. So either that dip is finally coming, or we're just having a normal retracement before we continue running. We still have 20 more days for Bitcoin halving. Those 20 more days, the drop is not gonna be anything below $20,000. It cannot be below $20,000. It should be, if we have it, anywhere in the 50 to 40 plus thousand Bitcoin. If we actually have something devastating, that's gonna make a lot of people be extremely bearish. But for right now, Bitcoin and Shiba Inu are been holding really, really strong. Best case scenario, we go to $60,000 again Bitcoin, because we went down to 61. Shiba Inu 4021, 4022, which is going to be pretty low Shiba Inu, but still relatively high. And after that, guys, we pass Bitcoin halving, we have more trading opportunities, and then we continue sending it. But that's the reason why I waited a while to go, even before considering going all in. That's the reason why we're having this live and chatting in this conversation. A lot of decisions to be made soon, and I'll keep you updated, fam. Hey, bro, I hold 150 million Shiba Inu till 0.1 and then sell. No worries, guys. Asians will wake up and pump us all the way to the moon. Happy to see, the community holding a couple millions. That always makes sense. That always helps your position, your stamina, your levels. As of right now, we are $500 up on Shiba Inu, so I'm gonna start adding some just in case stop losses. I think it's healthy to have a stop loss, so I'm gonna add some stop losses just in case. We don't really want to risk anything here, but I'm not selling right now. I'm gonna add some stop losses, and then I'll be good, because that's the only one. Let me go ahead and see my positions right now. We have 53,900, which makes sense because we're a little bit down. So stop losses just in case, and hopefully we should be good to go as we continue. Now it's another 15-minute candle. See if the bulls can come back and win it, because, oh man, It's been selling very, very nicely. Very, very nicely. Nothing compared to what we just had here, which was massive sell-off, sell-off, sell-off. That was a massive sell-off, honestly. That was crazy, and I was able to take advantage of it. But this, hopefully bulls can come back up, right? Hey, Oscar, how do you stop the green dot from the trying to track your phone? Not sure about that, buddy. I feel like as long as people are selling, the Bitcoin whales are going to keep dumping and pumping. The weak of heart will sell out of fear, eventually lose much they can be in the game. Pretty cool, right, fam? So, I believe we've been live for a while, fam, so that's exciting. Ah, man. The news are in. We went all in. We went all in on Shiba Inu. I hope you enjoy, guys. This is what we call content. I went all in, guys, and I feel really good. Despite the corrections, despite the selling, we're up. And I'm just gonna say, it's one of the reasons I waited and waited for a time like this, because even though I bought a couple hours ago, I'm still up. Because I bought at the right time according to the indicator. Salgo, first link down below. Truly helps if you're into making some good money. Check it out. 30-day money guarantee back if you don't like it, if you don't want it. If you want to use something for free, there's hundreds of free indicators. Find yours. If you want to use what I use, guys, which helps a lot and support the channel, you know what to do. But for now, this bullish trend has been broken at 2:15 a.m. And I think Shiba Inu is starting to find another trend, which for right now, I can tell you, it seems consolidation bearish. That's the way I will describe this new trend. Short-term new trend. This one was broken. And now this one, consolidation bearish. Right here. All right. 58 million and holding. Shiba is king. Let's go. Guys, we had a great time. Let's go ahead and continue watching. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Like and subscribe before you leave. Take a look at the links down below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much, guys, for your kind donation. Let's pay the bills. You guys are watching all the analytics and updates right here. 1 hour and 17 minutes. That's not bad. And let's go ahead and get up to speed. Thank you guys so much for your kind time and donations and everything. Take care. It was good. So we bought in. Now we're holding. And eventually, little by little, we'll go ahead and make some trades. I'll keep you updated. If you're on my Discord, you will know immediately as I sell or buy, all right? I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.